Hello, it's Kevin here from Spreadify Marketing, and today we're breaking down the process of designing a website step by step. So whether you're just starting out from scratch or looking to revamp an existing website, this guide will help you create a website that's both functional and visually appealing. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your purpose and goals. So the first step is to actually understand why you're creating the website and what you aim to achieve. Are you looking to sell products, provide information, or build a community? Because clear goals will guide you throughout your design choices and overall strategy. Step 2. Research and plan. Before diving into design, research your target audience and competitors. What do your users need? What are your competitors doing well? Create a sitemap outlining the structure and pages of your website, ensuring it aligns with your goals and users' needs. 3. Choose your platform. Decide whether you'll use a website builder like Wix or Squarespace, or even a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, or if you'll custom code your entire website. Each option has its pros and cons, so choose the one that best fits your technical skills and project requirements. Step 4. Select a domain name and hosting. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Then select a reliable hosting provider to ensure that your website is always accessible. Hosting services like Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator offer various plans to fit different needs. Step 5. Design the layout. Start with the wireframes to outline the basic structure of your pages. Think about the user journey and how you want them to actually navigate your website. Keep your layout clean, intuitive, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. Step 6. Choose a color scheme and fonts. Your color scheme and fonts should align with your brand identity. Choose a color palette that's visually appealing and ensures good readability. Limit your fonts to 2 or 3 complementary styles to maintain a cohesive look. Step 7. Create compelling content. Content is king. So write clear, engaging copy that speaks directly to your audience and drives action. Use high-quality images and videos to enhance your message and break up text. But remember to always optimize your content for SEO to increase visibility. Step 8. Build your pages. Using your chosen platform, start building your pages. Include essential elements like a homepage, about page, contact page, and any other page relevant to your business. And make sure that each page has a clear purpose and a clear call to action. Step 9. Add functionality. Depending on your needs, add necessary features like contact forms, e-commerce capabilities, or social media integrations. Plugins and widgets can extend your website's functionality without needing advanced coding skills. Step 10. Test and optimize. Before launching, test your website on different devices and browsers to ensure it looks and works well everywhere. Check for broken links, loading speed, and overall performance, and make adjustments based on feedback and analytics. Quick pause. Imagine your website as a shop window. Is everything neatly arranged and inviting? Because if not, now's the time to tweak it. Let's continue. Step 11. Launch your website. Once everything is polished and tested, it's time to go live. Announce your launch on social media, email newsletters, and other marketing channels to drive traffic to your new website. And last but not least, step 12, maintain and update. Your work doesn't end at launch. Regularly update your content, check for technical issues, and make improvements based on user feedback. Keeping your site fresh and relevant will also help maintain user interest and improve SEO. So there we have it. Designing a website step by step ensures that you don't miss any crucial elements, leading to a smooth and successful launch. And for more detailed guides and tips on digital marketing, like, share, and subscribe to Spreadify Marketing. I'm Kevin, here to guide you through the digital landscape with ease and expertise. See you in the next video.